Ganaan, meron ka makarami rin na pwede iuwi. Pero kapag pwede
Manonood ka lang. Chance.
this is our official software. Thank you. Back to the video on the boot. And a steal by Cuevas number 13. Here's the foul. There you go. Don't put me down. And we have 5 seconds. I'm going to bring out. Either got more. Looking. Well, people are casting now in English because Noel is Mabuhay. Yeah, there you go. Shout out to all the Filipinos there. It's the opening of Filipino ball. Brian De La Cruz. In and out. You're on the rebound. 2 seconds. But there's a steal. And in and out. They're going. No steal. Again. 5.3 for this game. Villegas for the ball. 31 dribbling the ball. Dribbles again. Right. Back to Gregorio. Gregorio to Fidel. Fidel looking for a teammate. He's saying, let's use the time. Gregorio jump shot. In and out. There you go, right on the rebound. Cuevas on the ball. Sa mga moving. Excellent for the Madrid Laser Brass for all the critical fight awards of this game. Gregorio on the rebound. Alright. Central line, second shot. Good. He dribbles, he passed for 3. No good. And there goes our game.
Sa mga gustong sumali, audience, mapababae na lang.
Aso, dahil nakashoot pa sa kalahating mo. Ready to rumble! To avail, and if you like to buy a house, Japon Miguel, number 19, the ball goes to Lloyd Lechon, the man on the ball. Pass to Miguel, no good, there's Enriquez on the ball. Alan on the ball, give to Duran for the day. He's right, he shoots, oh, and he Duran, it's a 3. Gusto ka shout out na? Four minutes left, 4 minutes. Two back Nick out the ball, Nick underneath the ball. Nick is down, Nick is back. And he gives the ball to Patrick. And no foul was given to Allen. Allen for 3. No on the side. For go to Yabao. Yabao on the side. Over for 2. They're playing on the ball. Nick. 3. And there's a steal by Moral. Moral on the move. Moral on the left. Over 6, over shots, no good. And the Floyd has